Hello and welcome. I'm John, your safety trainer, here with today's lesson on rattlesnakes in California. Before we begin, remember to sign off on your mobile device or online to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. California has a variety of snakes, most of which are benign. The exception is California's only native venomous snake, the rattlesnake. In this lesson, we'll cover some general information about rattlesnakes, the do's and don'ts when in snake country, how to identify a rattlesnake, and what to do in the event of a snake bite. While generally not aggressive, rattlesnakes strike when threatened or deliberately provoked. But given room, they will retreat. Most snake bites occur when a rattlesnake is handled or accidentally touched by someone walking by or climbing. The majority of snake bites occur on the hands, the feet, and the ankles. Rattlesnakes can cause serious injury to humans on rare occasions. The California Poison Control Center notes that rattlesnakes account for more than 800 bites each year with 1 to 2 deaths. Most bites occur between the months of April and October when snakes and humans are most active outdoors. About 25% of the bites are dry, meaning no venom was injected, but the bites still require medical treatment. Whenever you encounter a wild animal, there are do's and don'ts that, if followed, will keep you safe. First, know that rattlesnakes are not confined to rural areas. They have been found near urban areas, in river or lakeside parks, and at golf courses. Be aware that startled rattlesnakes may not rattle before striking defensively. There are several safety measures that can be taken to reduce the likelihood of startling a rattlesnake. Do not step or put your hands where you cannot see. Step on logs and rocks, never over them. Check out stumps or logs before sitting down. Be careful when stepping over the doorstep as well. Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.